In this quick tutorial, we will look at how to insert an image and add some text in Photoshop. With your document open, go up to File and go down to Place Embedded. Navigate to wherever the image is that you want to use. So I want to use this one right here. And to resize the image, you merely drag down to the desired size and then place it wherever you want to, and then click the tick box there. So that is the image. To insert text, you merely go to the text tool, which is here, click on the canvas, or before clicking on the canvas, you can select the font that you want from here. You can select the type. You can then also select the actual size, where you can type in a size if you want to. So if I type in 100, you can then come here, you can center the text, left align the text. You can also choose the color of the text that you want from here. And I'm going to now just click once and I'm going to start typing. If the size doesn't come out, that's okay. Just double click on the text here, like so. Come here, and then you can choose a particular size from the drop down menu there. If the size is too much, you can just come up here and I'm going to say, let's just make it the original 100. Click the selection tool and then place the text wherever you want it.